Hey guys, it's Talia here, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sort of doing like a glow up video because, do I even need to explain? So as you guys know, we are in lockdown 3. So I just really have been so lazy. I've been better than last lockdown in terms of I've actually been like waking up, putting makeup on, putting a nice outfit on. But I currently look like this. I have absolutely no lashes. My eyebrows are just a bit of a mess. I was going to fake tan last night and start this vlog off last night, but fake tanning is just such an effort and it always comes off my face so quickly. So then I've got like an orange body and a white face and it just doesn't work. So I was like, no, I won't fake tan. I don't really know what this glow up is going to be. It's basically just me going to be doing like my eyelash extensions and my eyebrows and curling my hair. That is pretty much what this is going to consist of. Not the most exciting, but I'm really hoping it's going to be a big transformation. Also, my skin has been so clear. Then I came on my period and my skin's gone to absolute dog shit. So that's... Sorry for the lack of uploads. I have not been very motivated at all, but I am definitely going to start posting more, like 100%. I know I say this in every single video, but I actually mean it now. I'm currently working again with Ana Luisa for this video, and the clip for this was actually filmed about a month ago, but it couldn't get posted because of like problems with the video and whatnot. So I'm gonna insert that here. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'd just like to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring the next like 2 minutes of this video. So as you guys know, I absolutely love working with Ana Luisa. They are my favourite jewellery company. There's no doubt about it, and I am not just saying that. This light is really annoying me. Stay! It's just not staying. It's like a naughty child. It's like Nessie. So just a few things about Ana Luisa if you don't already know. Basically, they are carbon neutral. So Ana Luisa offset 100% of their carbon emissions, starting with the sourcing of raw materials all the way to the disposal of their pieces. One of my favourite things about Ana Luisa is the quality of their stuff. Some of these pieces of jewellery now I've had since like June, July this year. It's never gone green, it's never rusted. I wear them in the shower and they're absolutely fine. And they also offer a 365-day warranty to refund or replace any pieces that you're not like 100% satisfied, which I think is a very good thing. And they also have very, very fair prices. They start at $39 and then range all the way up to their most expensive stuff. But they do start quite cheap for like the jewellery that you're getting, so it's really good. I am just editing this now and I thought I would tell you guys that at the moment there is a 50% off your order site-wide, so literally all across the site, and that is for their Valentine's Day sale. So make sure you go check everything out right now before things start to sell out. And then also there is my discount code TALIAR10, which I'll leave on the screen and down below, and that gives you an extra 10% off as well. So now I'm going to show you the pieces that I have been sent for this month, and oh, I absolutely love them. They are so, so nice. So the first are these Paperclip, I can't remember what they're called. It will be on the screen. But they are these Paperclip earrings. And they have like a little heart at the end of the earring. They are so, so pretty. You put them in so easily and honestly, they just look so nice. Like, I'm absolutely obsessed with these. I've been wearing these now for the past week and I like the fact that they're dangly, but they don't like jiggle when you move your head. So they don't like make any noise, if that makes sense. They're just sort of there and they look pretty. And then next we have the gold earrings. Now, as you guys know, I don't normally wear a lot of gold, but I've been trying to sort of branch out recently. So they're like, I'd say they're a medium-sized gold hoop, and they're really, really nice. They're really classy. They don't look like chavvy or anything like that. You know how some hoops can just be like... Yeah, no, these are really, really nice, quite elegant, and I feel like you could really dress these up or dress them down. Like, because I have quite a lot of earrings in my ear, as you guys can see, I think these really complement the other earrings really, really well. So I've just put these in now and they look so pretty, and honestly they're not even heavy, like, at all. Obviously you can feel they're there because they're hoops, but they are not heavy. They don't feel like I'm dragging my ear down or anything like that. And then finally we have this really, really gorgeous emerald gold necklace, and this is sort of a layered necklace. Once again, not something I'd really go for. I probably will gift this to my mum because she absolutely loves emerald green and I know she'd love this necklace. So I'm definitely going to give this to her. It is so pretty, once again, so elegant, and would go with a lot of things. It's a good length, it sits well, and yeah, I just absolutely love it. I will, as always, leave everything in the description box down below, so make sure you go check them out. And honestly guys, you know that I don't promote things that I don't believe in and I don't like, but I mean, Ana Luisa for me is just perfect. Also, I do have the earrings in now. I literally have not taken these out since I filmed the video. They're just... So the first step into making myself look a bit more presentable is showering and washing my hair. Oh, I didn't even say why I'm doing this glow up. Basically, I've got my cheer... We're doing a cheer Zoom call tonight. So like some of the girls from cheer, Eloise has made up a quiz. So we're all gonna sit on a Zoom call and do a quiz, and this is my first time interacting with someone like over the phone that isn't Christian, so this is really exciting for me that I actually have some friends. But yeah, the first step is to wash my hair. Oh yeah, I haven't seen you guys since I dyed my hair. It literally looks black. Oh god, it's so greasy. I was considering whether I could cover it up with dry shampoo, but there's no saving this, so I'm gonna go shower. Okay, so I am out the shower and I am dressed. I'll do a quick outfit of the day. Please ignore the state of my room. I know it's so bad. I'm cleaning it today. But this top is from, I think it's Zaful, but you can probably get it from Shein. And these joggers are from Boohoo Man. I get questions about my hair all the time and what products I use and how I do it, so I thought I'd like include that in today's glow up, showing you what I do. So as soon as I get out the shower, oh my god, the lighting is... Okay, that's just gonna have to do. To wash my hair, I just normally use the I think it's Head and Shoulders shampoo. It's got like a blue lid, but honestly I don't think shampoo and conditioner makes much of a difference to me. And then once a week I use blue shampoo to get rid of like any like orangey tones in my hair. And then I use this Catwalk by Tiggy. It's like a heat protectant spray, but one you put in when your hair is damp. And I literally just spray that all over my hair. It smells of grape. I didn't realise this was for wet hair when I first... Because it's winter, I have to blow dry my hair. I can't let it air dry. That sort of just protects it from the hairdryer, and then afterwards when I straighten it as well. And I just run that through and make sure I've got it everywhere. Okay, so I have dried my hair. It looks like an absolute mess. And normally, straight away, I know you guys are all going to come at me for like not looking after my hair. But as soon as I've dried it, I straighten it. Because otherwise, this is the state of it. And I'm not sure about you, but I don't think this is the best look. Obviously it just looks absolutely crazy and I hate it. I like my hair when it naturally dries in summer, but I can't do that in winter because obviously it would take like 2 days to dry. So I have to blow dry it, but it just goes horrible when I blow dry it because I don't blow dry it nicely. I could if I really wanted to, but I just don't have time for that. I am now going to go and straighten it. Okay, so hold on. I've been watching Pretty Little Liars recently and I am obsessed with it. Hair is now straightened. As you can see, it just looks so much better. I envy people that have naturally straight hair. Like, honestly, they're the luckiest people in the world. I think I'm going to do my eyebrows now. So I'm going to tint them. And then after that, I will do my lash extensions. But that is going to take me like 2 hours. And the Zoom call is at 6 and it's already 3. So I actually do need to get a move on. I literally didn't wake up till about 12 o'clock. So that's probably why I'm so far behind. But yeah, I'm just going to sort of show you how I do my eyebrows. I use the Eyelaw like tin and I've literally got it all over my carpet. My mum's going to kill me. Basically what you do is you just mix these together and then put it on your eyebrows. It's pretty simple. It's going to be really hard to like record. Wow, then I just look great. Once it's, oh, I just got it on the edge of my thing. Once it's mixed, it should look like this. And then basically what I do is I get like an eyebrow brush and I just dip it in. I put quite a lot on. And I literally just put it on my eyebrows as if I was like filling in my eyebrows normally. And it doesn't matter if like you go outside your eyebrow shape or anything because we'll clean that up later. And you want to put a lot more on than you think you'll need because otherwise it just won't tint. Like the tint will not stay on because you want to cover every single hair. Then what I do is I grab a cotton wool bud, I don't even know what it's called, and I like go underneath to wipe off like the excess that I don't want there. You see, like this. and I sort of just put it into like the shape I want. And you'll probably have to use that cotton bud more than once, like the more you put on. Next thing I do is I grab the little spoolie that comes with it and I just like brush through to make sure that it's on every single hair. Okay, so I am quite happy with that. I think I will leave that as it is. I'm going to check the time I put it on. I think you're supposed to leave it on for like 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm probably going to take this off in around 15 minutes, and whilst that is like setting, I'm going to do the other one. This one has been on now for 15 minutes, so I'm going to wipe it off, and I literally just get a cotton pad and put water in it, and then literally just wipe and it comes off like that. Obviously you don't want too much to come off, but you want enough so that it doesn't look this dark, and I'm actually really happy with how that one turned out. I put this one on 7 minutes after, so I'm going to wait another 7 minutes until I take that one off. Okay, so I've taken them both off. This is what they look like. They never go even just because I don't have, got the hiccups. I don't have even eyebrow shapes. They are definitely cousins. Distant, long, second, twice removed cousins. They are not sisters, as you can clearly tell. But do you know what? I'm quite happy with them, and now I'm going to be moving on to my lashes, and this is what takes absolutely ages, and I literally just do not have the time, but we're going to do it anyway. Okay, so I would do my eyelashes if I knew where they were. They have completely disappeared. Okay, I found them, guys. Panic over, they were in a little bag. So here are the lashes I'm using, and I use the Duo glue. I have just realised that this eyebrow is darker than this one, but I can't be asked to do anything about it, so I'm just going to... Okay, so I did have to give up on my lashes just because I don't have long at all, and I've still got to do my makeup and curl my hair, which normally does take quite a while, and I've only got an hour and a half, and the lashes just weren't cooperating, and I knew that it would take absolutely ages, so I just took the ones off that I did do, and now I have just got glue like everywhere. But I'm now going to do my makeup. I'm going to be filming a separate makeup routine, so I'm not going to go through the products I use and everything, just because, like I said, I'm going to be doing a separate video for that, so stay tuned for that. Okay, my makeup is done. My makeup routine is literally the most basic thing in the world. Like, you guys are really wanting one, like a makeup routine, and you're literally going to get it and you're probably going to be disappointed. Obviously my lashes just look awful. We're not even going to talk about them. I do need to stop picking my lashes off. I am now going to curl my hair, and then that is a glow up, pretty much done. I know all I've done is showered and put some makeup on, but we're not going to talk about it. I'm going to run through how I do my hair. I got eyelash glue in the bottom of it and it's really knotty. But yeah, I'm going to run through how I do my hair and then curl it and show you. My room is actually such a mess, it is embarrassing. The first thing I do is separate my hair. So I normally separate it into 3 sections. I start off with just, and then I grab one of the Molly May clips and just clip it into place. I use the Beauty Works Molly May curler, the volume 1. That is so bright, I do apologise. This is the curler I use, and basically what I do is I grab a section of hair like this and I just curl it with the wand facing down, and I do the bits at the front like curling away from my head, if that makes sense. I hold it for about 10 seconds and then I just sort of let it fall into my hands. I scrunch it a little bit and then I just let it drop. And then the next piece I get, instead of curling it that way, I curl it this way. Basically what this does is it stops all the curls from like clumping together and forming one big curl. It means like the curls sort of drop a lot looser. And I hold that for about 10 seconds and then I release it, and I literally just do this all across my head. It is obviously quite time consuming. I can do it a lot quicker if I want to, but you don't have to section it and you don't have to hold it for as long. But this is the way you sort of get the nicest curls and how it lasts the longest. So basically just do this all around the bottom layer and then I'll be back when I have... Right, so normally this is the part where I would hairspray this part of my hair. But for some unknown reason I'm losing everything today and I've lost my hairspray. It is always in this top drawer and it's completely disappeared. I've got another one, but it's just not as good. I guess I'm going to have to use it. I just hairspray this. I hairspray it like section by section so that it stays in place and it doesn't drop. Because I straighten it and then curl it, it makes my hair so like smooth and fine. It just means that my curls drop out a lot easier. So I have just finished one half of my hair and this is what the curls looks like. Curls look like, and I'm just spraying them so that they stay in place and scrunching them so they look like this. I know lots of people brush out their curls. I personally hate that look. I don't understand why you spend like an hour curling your hair to then just brush them out. Like, it baffles me, so I will not be doing that. I sort of obviously run through them with my fingers so they're not all like completely conjoined, but normally I just leave it like this and I really love it, and I'm now going to do the same to the other side. Okay, so that is my hair all curled. I'm actually really happy with how it went. Not gonna lie, it probably will drop very soon, but that's just what always happens. So the next thing I use on my hair is this Tame and Shine spray, and it just makes it like really smooth. And as you can see, just from putting that little bit in, how much it just improves it. Like, it just looks so much shinier. Same on the other side. Sort of just like zhuzh it a little bit and just make it look nice. And then, because I've put so many different products in my hair, I like to use this, and it's like a hair perfume. And obviously, I know I'm not going out anywhere, but I want to feel like I am. So, oh my god, that smells so good. So that is my hair and my makeup all done. I'm very happy with how it went. I've now got to pick an outfit. I think what I'm going to do is wear like comfy on the bottom and just put like a nice top on, because I don't want to be sitting in a dress in my room. You know what I mean? That could be like a little bit sad. Okay, so this is the top I have chosen. It is a corset from, I think this is from Pretty Little Thing. It is what I wore for my birthday dinner, and I actually haven't worn it since then. It's so lovely. It's like glittery. It's just so pretty. And I'm keeping my tracksuit bottoms on. Obviously, I know it does not match. This is a lockdown glow up, so this is just what you're going to have to deal with. I do really need to tidy my room because it's honestly embarrassing how disgusting it is. So I'm going to go and do that now. But I'm pretty much all done. I was considering whether to, like, you know, put fake tan like moisturiser on, like a gradual tan moisturiser that I don't need to wash off, but to be honest, I just can't be asked because I don't want to get it everywhere. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. So I know this wasn't much of a glow up, but if you compare what I look like now to what I looked like this morning, I'd say it's quite a glow up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget about the Ana Luisa jewellery that I mentioned at the start. As you can see, their pieces are just absolutely beautiful. And of course, as always, I do have a discount code in the description box below, so make sure you go and check it out. And yeah, I guess that is it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!